Hi everyone! Welcome back to our Mandarin Pinyin series. Today we're going to learn Mandarin Pinyin tones, 声调 and 变调. What are 声调? In Mandarin, tones are called 声调. Every syllable in Mandarin has a tone, and the tone is part of the word. If you change the tone, you change the meaning. There are 5 tones in total. What is 变调? Sometimes tones change when words are spoken together. This is called 变调. More on this later. Let's go through the 5 tones one by one, slowly and clearly. First tone, 音平, high and steady. Your voice stays high and flat, like holding a note. For example, 妈, mother. Keep your voice level. Don't let it go up or down. Repeat after me. 妈, ma, ma. Very good. Second tone, 阳平, rising. Your voice starts low and rises, similar to how sometimes people ask questions in English. For example, 麻很. Repeat after me. 麻 ma, ma. Well done. Third tone, 上升, dipping and rising. Your voice goes down and then back up, but in real speech it's more subtle. Don't try and force a big dip. Let's see an example. 马 horse. Repeat after me. 马 ma, ma. Very good. This is a difficult one. Fourth tone, 去声, sharp and falling. Your voice drops quickly. For example, 骂 scold. Repeat after me. 骂 骂 ma. Very good. The fifth one is a neutral tone, 轻声, light and quick. The neutral tone is soft and short. For example, 妈妈 mom. See how the second ma is light and unstressed. Repeat after me. 妈妈 mama, mama. Good job. So that's the 5 tones in Pinyin. See how changing tone makes the same characters into a completely different word. It's an essential part of the language, so be sure to pay attention to them both when listening and speaking. Now on to tone changes. These rules exist to make Mandarin easier and more natural to say. They don't actually change the meaning of a word. It makes more sense when you hear them in speech. Let's go through them one by one. Rule 1. Third tone plus third tone. When 2 third tone words are next to each other, the first one sounds rising and the second remains unchanged. For example, 你好. Instead of saying 你好, you say 你好, rising and third tone. Rule 2. The sound of 1. 一 means 1, and it has 3 possible pronunciations. When 一 is said alone, or used for counting, numbers, or at the end of the word, it stays as 一. For example, 一 1, 一 2 3 1 2 3. 第一 first. 统一 unify, united. Repeat after me. 一 一 一. Very good. When 一 comes before a falling sound word, it sounds rising. For example, 一个 1, 2. 一下 a bit, briefly. When 一 comes before a non-falling word, it sounds falling. For example, 一天 one day. 一直 always, continuously. 一起 together. So to summarize the rule of 一 in simple words, when it's used for counting, it's pronounced as 一. When it's before falling sound, it's pronounced as 一. When before non-falling sounds, it's pronounced as 一. Rule 3. The rule of no. 不 means no, not. It normally sounds falling, but before a falling sound word, it becomes rising. For example, 不是 is not. 不要 don't, must not, don't want to. Rule 4. The neutral tone usage. Some syllables lose their original tone and become neutral tone when they appear in certain words and phrases. For example, 妈妈. The second ma does not keep its original tone, ma, but become neutral tone, soft and unstressed. Let's see more examples. 我们 we, us. The second word loses its original tone, 们, and becomes neutral tone. 衣服 clothes. The second word loses its original tone, 服, and becomes neutral tone. 鼻子 nose. The second word loses its original tone, 子, and becomes neutral tone. 嘴巴 mouth. The second word loses its original tone, 巴, and becomes neutral tone. If tone changes feel confusing at first, that's completely normal. Even native speakers don't think about them when speaking, and can sometimes get a mix-up. By listening and repeating, they'll become more natural over time. Now, let's practice together. Say each one out loud, slowly. Ma, mother. Ma, hemp. Ma, horse. Ma, scold. Ma, mother. Ma, hemp. Ma, horse. Ma, scold. 你好 hello. 一天 one day. 不是 is not. 我们 we, us. Pinyin tones take time, and that's completely normal. The goal is progress, not perfection. Keep listening, keep practicing, keep repeating, and most importantly, don't be afraid to speak. Thank you for learning with me today, and I see you in the next video. Have a lovely day.